Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily highlight the caption on your video word by word in CapCut Mobile. So here I've already opened CapCut, and first I'm going to generate the captions on the video. So go to text and just click on auto caption, and here don't forget to select the sound source and select the language. When it's done, just click on generate. Wait for CapCut to fully generating the caption. So after the caption has been generated, all of it, you can just click on one of the caption, then click on the animations, select the captions tab, and in here you can just select the border pop-up, this one, border pop-up 3 animation, and make sure that this apply to all captions is checked, so that it will be applied to all the captions on your video. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.